All right, beautiful day today. The sun is all the way up. As you can see, it's just too bright out there. Yeah, and more fun stuff to do. The Ford is back in. So the issue with the Ford is that it has a misfire, cylinder 2 misfire. And of course, I've done the usual suspects, spark plug, coil. And I did compression test on that cylinder and there was zero compression. I've been driving the car for a while. I mean, all the other 3 cylinders work and so the car will drive, but it will shake when you want to give it a little bit more power, right? And you lose power when you are, say, taking up a hill or something like that. So we are going to begin work on that. But interestingly, now that guy is packed in and this guy, now this guy is the regular go-to, and yeah, starts right up. I've realized that the chip in the key is kind of loose a little bit, and so every now and then you get the fuel pump not pushing, but it starts right up. And it's been driving very good so far. So now that is what I drive as my daily. Nice job on that. And we have to now turn around and deal with the Ford. So what I'm going to do is, the engine bay is kind of very greasy. It had an oil leak on the valve cover gaskets, and so what I'm going to do is that because it's sunny out there today, I'm going to wash the engine bay and leave it open and out for the rest of the day for it to dry, and then tomorrow I'll come and take the head down. I need to take the head down, and as you can see, the engine seats I created working perfectly so far for the 2 engines. So this one right here is Mike's old engine that I took out of his Xterra, and this is the old engine I took out of the truck that I am driving. And that engine is pretty clean, and so I bought all the stuff, the timing chain and the gaskets. They are also here, they've arrived. So after I fix the Ford, probably that is going to be our next project. Tearing down and rebuilding that engine. And I am tempted to put that rebuilt engine in the truck and probably sell off the one that is in the truck right now. Or rebuild that engine, put it on the side, because I'm not sure I'll be driving that truck for too long. I have specific interests in cars, okay? So I know the truck I want to drive, and it is not that Nissan. So I might give that Nissan out and look for another truck to fix so that I will drive that. Yeah, but for now, I'm gonna switch to work clothes and we can get into the Ford and see the greasy, grimy stuff. And oh, of course, that is why we bought the pressure washer. And so today we are going to unbox the pressure washer and test it out. So stay tuned.